Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holt of V2M Visionary, and I'm here today with the Dixxon Flannel Company Tech Windbreaker. I just recently rode 1,000-ish miles across country on the Snot Rocket, and we didn't really plan on riding it across country. And I had no rain gear, no nothing. Luckily, I had one of these in my backpack, and it was nothing short of amazing. We rode about a day and a half in the rain off and on. This thing says it's water resistant, but I did not get wet up top at all. It's super lightweight. It does come with a hoodie. It's got a mesh lining. One thing I really like is the closures on the wrists. You can get them really, really tight around a set of gloves so no water comes up. They're available in a bunch of different colors, gray and black, black on black, black, and I think there's a camo one. If you're looking for something lightweight you can stick in your saddlebag or in your backpack that's really dependable, and you can even wear it off the bike, definitely check out one of these. Dixxon Flannel Company.